Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is star to delta and delta to star transformation. Okay, so what is star and what is delta network and what is delta to star transformation means? So in some complex network, we have to reduce that complex network into one single resistances. Okay, so using the series combination of resistor and parallel combination of resistor, we may convert the complex network into one single resistance. Okay, so that problems already we solved in the first unit. But here, in some cases, the resistances. So you see, if the resistances, the three resistances are connected in between the three node A, B, C in this structure or in this structure. Okay, so in this structure, we can't say the resistance R1 and R2 is series and R1 and R2 is parallel. We can't say. So this type of configuration, in order to reduce one form into another form. Okay, so either this form into this form or this form into this form. We are using the transformation. It is called as a star to delta transformation and delta to star transformation. Okay, so which one is delta network means this one. So you see here, this is the node A, B, C, and in between A, B, one resistance connected. In between A and C, one resistance, and in between B and C, one resistance is connected. So the shape of this three resistances like a del. Okay, del shape. That's why this type of network it is called as a delta network. Okay, and another one, you see this connection. So here A, B, C node is there, and in center one neutral node is there. So in between A and neutral one resistance, in between this B and C one resistance, in between C and B one resistance is connected. So this type of is connection is called a star. Okay, it's like a star shape, or this one is inverted Y. You see, this connection is called as a Y connection. Okay, so we may call this star network into Y connection or star connection. Okay, so these are all the two types of connections, type of resistor connection available in our given network, in addition to series combination and parallel combination. Okay, so in order to reduce that complex network into one simple thing, we may use this transformation technique. One form, this delta network, we may convert into star, or star network, we may convert into delta. So what is the formula in order to transform this one form to another form? We are going to see. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 2-mark question related with this star to delta and delta to star. Okay, so using this, the university 2-mark problems we are going to solve. In the next video, we have to solve some 5-mark problem, 6-mark, 8-mark, and 13-mark question. We will solve in the next video. Okay. So first you see the question. Given a delta circuit having the resistor, write the required expression to transform the circuit to star. Okay. So this is the given delta network. The delta network, the three resistances are connected in between the node A, B, C. Okay. So here you just consider the resistance between A and C is RAC. The resistance connected between A and B node is RAB, and the resistance connected in between B and C, you take it as a RBC. Okay, so we may convert this delta connection into star. Okay, so you keep in star network, you have to take here one neutral node. Okay, so in addition to this ABC, there is a neutral node is there. So in between A to neutral, one resistance connected. In between B to neutral, one resistance connected. In between C and neutral, one resistance connected. Okay. So here you take this resistance connected in A node is RA, resistance connected in B node is RB, resistance connected in C node is RC. Okay. So how to obtain this RA value, RB value, RC value in terms of this delta element, RAB, RBC, and RAC means, so your formula you see the resistance RA. Okay, so while converting this delta into star, okay, so in order to convert this delta into star, the star value RA is calculated by multiplying the two resistance that are connected in node A. Okay, so in this delta network, in node A, what are the two resistance are connected in node A? RAB, RAC. Okay, so you just multiply this RAB, RAC. Okay, that is a numerator divided by addition of the three resistance value RAB, RAC plus RBC. So you see the formula RA. RA is nothing but the product of the two resistance value that are connected with this particular node A. Okay, divided by addition of the three resistance. Similarly, RB is calculated by, so in node B, okay, so you see in node B, what are the two resistances are connected? RBC and RAB. So you multiply these two value, okay, RAB, RBC divided by addition of the three resistance. Similarly, RC is calculated by, so in node C, what are the two resistance connected in delta? RBC, RAC. So you multiply that two value divided by the addition of thing. So this is called as a resistance value in star network. So this is the formula in order to convert this delta network into star. Okay, so in order to convert this delta network into star, so you just remember the value of RA, okay, connected in node A is calculated by, so in delta, what is the two resistance connected? That two resistance you just multiply divided by addition of the three value. Okay, in a similar manner, you just calculate. Okay, and in another one thing, if the value, this RAB value and this RBC and RAB, okay, the resistance value connected in this delta network remains same, which is equal to some R means. Okay, for example, this RAC value as a 1 ohm, RBC is also 1, RAB is also 1. If the three resistances are connected in delta network is having equal value means this formula, okay, this RA, RB, RC is reduced to. So you just see here, if RAB, RAC, RBC all are equal value means, so what is this numerator? So the numerator is R into R squared, okay, divided by, you see, R plus R, 3R. Okay, so here R cancel. So what is the remaining answer? R by 3. Okay, so if the special case you just consider, if the resistances, all three resistances available in delta network is same value means RAB, RAC, RBC is equal means, at the time the corresponding resistance value in star network RAB, RBC, RC is also equal, that value equal to R divided by 3. Okay, that is 1 by 3 of this delta network value. Okay, so you just use this one, you just remember this. So using this, in within 1 minute we have to solve the 2-mark problem. Okay, so in some cases this 3 resistance value is given as same answer. So find out the star network. So without using this formula, directly we can say the value available in this star network is this resistance value divided by 3. Okay, so this is the thing. So this formula you should remember in order to solve the problem. Okay, so this is a 2-mark question. And another 2-mark question. So transform the circuit shown below from del to Y. Okay, what does this means? This is called as a delta network. And this is a Y. Okay, Y means the star network. The another name of Y network is a star network. Okay, so this is also one of the 2-mark question. So here you see the problem, this is the problem related with the previous conversion. Okay, so this circuit is, this is the given circuit. So you see A, B, C. So in between the node A, B, C, the three resistances are connected. So what is the resistance value? You see all are equal, 30 ohm, 30 ohm, 30 ohm. Okay, so it is very easy to solve in order to convert into star. Okay, so we are going to convert this delta network into star network. So this is the star structure. So you just draw A, B, C. In center, we have to refer one neutral node. So in between A and neutral, you connect one resistance RA. In between B and neutral, RB. In between C and neutral, RC. Okay. So already, you know, according to the previous thing, if the resistance value available in delta network is remains equal means the value in star network is also equal, which is equal to R by 3. Okay, so according to that, we can directly write the answer. The RA, RB, RC is equal to this resistance value divided by 3. So 30 divided by 3, what is the answer? 10. Okay, this is one shortcut. And another one, if you want to solve using that formula means, so you see, what is the formula for RA? RA, okay, the resistance RA, this is RA. The resistance RA is calculated in star network is that in node A, what are the two resistance connected? This 30 into 30. So you multiply 30 into 30 divided by addition of this three resistance 30 plus 30 plus 30. So the answer is 10 ohms. Okay, similarly, this RB is calculated. It is also the same. RB is calculated by multiplying the two resistance with respect to this B node divided by the total resistance. So the same 10. Similarly, as RC is also 10. Okay, so similar to this problem, so you may get definitely 1 2 mark question from the star to delta conversion and delta to star conversion. Okay, so this is a May 2011 and 10 question. So this is the one type of problem. And another one problem you see, this is the December 2012 question. Given a star network having the resistors, write the required expressions to transform the circuit into delta. Okay, so this is only the formula you just write. So this is the star network. Okay, so star network means you consider the three node A, B, C in neutral. Okay, in center you just consider as this is the node N. Okay, so in between A and N, RA is connected. In between B and N, RB, and in between C and N, one resistor RC. So this type of connection is called a star. Okay, so what is the necessary expressions required in order to convert this star to delta? Okay, so in the previous thing, okay, in a previous problem we converted the delta network into star network. Okay, now we are going to convert this star network into delta. Okay, so delta, you know, okay, this is the del shape. Okay, in del shape the three resistances may be connected. So what is the formula for this RAB, RBC, RAC in terms of RA, RB, RC? Okay, so what is the formula means? So you see RAB, RAC and RBC is calculated by multiplying. So numerator you see in this three equation, what is the numerator? The numerator is remains same. Okay, you see RARB plus RBRC plus RARC. You see in this case also the same numerator, in this case also the same term. Okay, but the denominator it will differ. Okay, so what is this numerator means? So while calculating this RAB, RAC, RBC, in this star network, you multiply two resistance, RA, RC. Okay, you multiply plus RC, RB, you multiply plus RB, RA, you multiply. So you see RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RA, RC divided by. So in this AB, which node is not available? RC is not available. So you just replace that resistance. So divided by which element is not available, you just divide that element RC. Okay, similarly, while calculating RAC, the numerator remains same. You multiply two resistances and add, divided by in RAC, which node is not available? B. So that resistance B, you just divide. Similarly, while calculating RBC, A node is not available. Okay, so here the value divided by RA. Okay, so this is the formula in order to convert the star network into delta network. Okay, so in order to convert delta to star, we have to use one formula. Okay, similarly, in order to convert star to delta, we have to use this formula. Okay, so the two resistance you multiply and add divided by the opposite resistance. Okay, this is said to be the star to delta. And similar to the previous thing, if the resistance value, this RA equal to RB equal to RC, these three resistance values are equal means. Okay, if the resistance value available in a star network is equal means, what is the value of RAB, RAC, RBC means? So you, here in this formula you just substitute if RA, RB, RC are all equal, which is equal to R means this RA, RB you have to write it as a R squared. Okay, so this is also R squared, this is also R squared. So in numerator 3R squared. Okay, divided by this RC is also R. So this R cancels. So what is the remaining answer we can get? 3R. Okay, so if all resistance values in star network remains same means in delta network the value is 3 times the resistance value. Okay, so if RA, RB, RC value is equal means then the corresponding delta network value equal to 3 times the R. Okay, so you just recall that while converting delta to star, okay, if the value in delta network is R means the value in star network is R by 3. Okay, R by 3. While converting star to delta, if the resistance available in star is R means resistance available in delta network is 3 times the R. Okay, so this is the second conversion formula. So using this, we are going to solve one more problem. So you see a star connected load of 5 ohm, each is to be converted into delta connected load. Find the resistance to be used. Okay, so here they are telling that one load is there. That load is connected in which configuration means star connection. So in star, one load is connected. So in star A, B, C, each resistance value is 5 ohm, 5 ohm and 5 ohm. Okay, then this star network we have to convert into delta. Okay, so this is a May 2017 question. We have to convert into delta. So what is the answer? So if the resistance available in star network is equal means the resistance available in delta network is nothing but 3 times the this resistance value. So 3 into 5, 15. Okay, so you see by substituting that value in our expression, okay, in star to delta conversion also we can get the same answer. So you see what is the formula for RAB? So in order to find out the value of RAB, you multiply these two resistance plus these two resistance plus these two resistance, you add divided by the opposite resistance. Okay, 5. Okay, so if you are solving, we can get 15 ohm. Similarly, RBC is also same 15 ohm and RAC is also same 15 ohm. Okay, so this is a one type of problem. Okay, so gain conversion. And similar to this, you see, this is the May 2018 question. Draw equivalent delta circuit. Okay, so maximum the equal value given, if it is a 2-mark problem, if it is a equal value means it is very easy to convert star to delta and delta to star. If the different value given means in formula you just substitute and find out the answer. Okay, so you see the question, draw equivalent delta. Here A, B, C, in between A, B, C, the resistance connected is equal values of 100 ohms. Okay, so what about the resistance available in delta network? So RAB, RBC and RAC is calculated as 3 times the star network. Okay, so 3 times the star, that is 100 into 100 plus 100 into 100 plus 100 into 100 divided by 100. So you may get 300. So all values available in data network is 300, 300, 300 ohm resistor. Okay. Similar to this, that is, so these are all the some of the important 2-mark questions related with this star to delta and delta to star conversion. So in the next video, we are going to solve some 8-mark, 5-mark and 8-mark problem. So you see this circuit. So in this network, we may use 2-3 steps. Okay, so that's why this problem we can solve in the next video. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel and please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you want to learn all circuit analysis lecture videos as well as the MCQ videos for the remaining topics, that is KCL, KVL, mesh analysis, nodal analysis, then the source transformation technique and voltage division, current division rule. So all videos are available in my channel in the name of circuit analysis playlist. One thing is that in that all lecture videos are available. Okay, and in another name circuit analysis MCQ playlist is there. In that all 2-mark problem as well as the 1-mark question is also available in a topic wise. Okay, so you just learn those topics. If you want to learn, I will give link in the description box for that videos. You refer it and you study. Okay, so thank you. We will meet in the next video.